Hello everyone and welcome to our second lecture, which is daily life vocabulary and action verb. This is your teacher, Nofal Taybi. Let's get into our lecture today. In our lecture today, we will have introduction about the daily life vocabulary, what is the objectives, and we will explain some words and vocabulary that you can use it in your daily life, such as in your home, kitchen, school, and also what is the action verbs, and also we will have a practice activity. Every day we use many English words in our daily life. These words help us talk about things we see, do, and need every day. Today we will learn useful daily life vocabulary to help us speak better and understand more. These useful words and action we do every day. This lesson will help you talk about your daily life in clear and simple English. By the end of this lecture, you will learn common daily life words. You will use action verbs in simple sentence. You will practice speaking with examples and activity. You will also connect places, things, and action together. What is daily life vocabulary? Daily life vocabulary includes words we use every day at home, school, or outside. Let's discover and know what is the common word that we can use it at home, school, or even outside. Let's start with words we use it at home. We use bed, door, kitchen, chair, and table. Let's have an example for each word. I sleep in bed. I open the door. I cook in the kitchen. I sit on the chair. I eat at the table. You will see in these examples there is an action verbs. For the first sentence, it was sleep. For the second sentence, it was open. The third one, cook. The fourth one, sit. And the last one is eat. So we can connect the action verb with the daily life vocabulary we use it at our home to build a strong sentence. Now we have learned some daily life vocabulary that we can use it at home. I will ask you some questions and you will answer using some words related to the daily life vocabulary at your home. The first question, where do you sleep? The answer will be, I sleep in my bed. The second question, do you cook every day? The answer, it could be yes, I cook every day, or no, I don't cook every day. The third question is, where do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at the table. Well done, everyone. Let's now discover another daily life vocabulary you can use it. Let's talk about the words that you can find it in the kitchen. You can find a spoon, a plate, cup, water, rice. Let's have an examples of these common words. She drinks water. I use spoon to eat rice. Sarah washes the plate. In this sentence, we find an action verbs, which they are use, eat, drink, wash. And of course, we have another word that you can find it in your kitchen, such as knife and fork and fruit. Now we know some common words that we can use it in the kitchen. Let me ask you some question. What do you eat with spoon? The answer will be, I eat rice with spoon. The second question, do you drink tea or coffee? The answer will be, I drink coffee. Well done. Let's discover more daily life vocabulary that you can use it. Let's talk about vocabulary that you can see it at school. You can see a book, pencil, teacher, desk, bag. The example sentence for these words are, he writes with a pencil, like the photo. The second sentence, I read a book. The teacher teaches English. I sit at my desk. The last one, I put my books in my bag. So these are the common words in the sentence, and also we have an action verbs. We have read, write, teach, sit, and put. You can use all the sentence to describe your daily life in your school. Time to ask question about words that we have learned at school. The first question, do you have a pencil? The answer will be either yes, I have a pencil, or no, I don't have a pencil. The second question is, what do you read at school? The answer will be, I read a book. Now we have learned daily life vocabulary that you can use it at home, kitchen, and school. Let's discover more daily life vocabulary that you can use. Let's look at clothes we wear every day. We wear shirt, dress, shoes, jacket, and hat. Let's see the example sentences. I wear a shirt. She wears a dress. They put on shoes. He takes off his jacket. There's an action verbs that we can use it with these words. They are wear, put on, and take off. Use these action verbs to put the words together and to make your sentence strong. Let's ask some questions related to clothes. What do you wear today? The answer will be, I wear a shirt and jeans. The second question is, do you wear a jacket when it's cold? The answer is, yes, I wear a jacket when it's cold. Well done. Let's discover another daily life vocabulary that you can use. Food and drinks are part of daily life. The examples are apple, bread, tea, juice, and egg. Let's see the sentences. She is eating a bread. I eat an apple for breakfast. We drink tea in the morning. We have also action verbs that you can use it. Eat and drink. Time to ask questions about food and drinks vocabulary. What do you eat for breakfast? The answer will be, I eat egg and bread. The second question is, do you drink tea or juice? The answer is, I drink juice. Now let's see the other daily life vocabulary and action verbs that you can use it. Now let's add more daily action verbs. For the common words, they are wake up, get up, study, and go. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Get up. I get up and brush my teeth. Study. She studies at school. Go. He goes to work. And we have another example in the picture in front of you. They play outside. Let's ask some questions related to the daily action verbs. What time do you wake up? The answer will be, I wake up at 7 a.m. The second question, where do you go every day? I go to school every day. That was the answer. And now let's have some activities and practice to review all the daily life vocabulary that we have just learned. Fill in the blank. You need to complete the sentence with eat goes drink. Try to answer the question first, and if you want to check your answer whether it's correct or not, click on the next page to review. Well done, everyone. I know you're guessing the answer correctly. The first sentence, I eat an apple. The second one, she goes to school. The third one, we drank tea. Let's move on to another activity. This activity, you need to circle the correct verb in each sentence. You have 5 sentences, and for each sentence, you have 2 different verbs. One of them is correct. Try to solve it by yourself, and if you want to check your answer, click on the next page. Well done. I know you're guessing these answers right and correctly. For the first sentence, I eat breakfast every morning. The second one, they run in the park after school. She writes a book at night. We listen to music every day. The last one, he makes dinner at 7 o'clock. Let's have a quick review of what we have learned in this lecture. We learned daily life vocabulary at home, such as bed and table. We learned also a vocabulary that you can use it at school, such as teacher and books. We learned some vocabulary which is related to clothes, dress and hat, and also we learned some daily life vocabulary related to food, which are juice and eggs. And finally, we chose some action verbs that you can use in your daily life, which are sleep and study. When it comes to the slides, the homework task, you can either scan the barcode, the QR code. It will transfer you immediately to the website. And if you want, just click on the link. It will transfer you to the daily life vocabulary quiz. And if you want to start the quiz, click on start, and I wish you a good luck. Today we learned some useful daily life vocabulary and action words. These words help us talk about things we see and do every day. Try to use these words when you speak or write in English. The more you see them, the stronger your English will be. Great job! Keep using these words every day.